burger community.
But that was a burger thing to do.
Just because burgers are like this elite party.
कभी काली रतियाँ कभी दिन सुहाने
मैं था बन कबाब.
I think bun kebab is more widely accepted, so I don't want to be that.
Bun kebab, I guess.
People prefer burger over a sabzi. The tinde bol do.
बेटा जी अरे ओ बाबूजी किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम
Bun kebab is something also mimicking. Because bun kebab is not, you see the burger. It's a form of a burger. It's not something a traditional coming localized. It is not a dish which is local. It is a form of mimicking the burger. Bun kebab.
English.
The moment that I entered Habib, and after like, let's say a year, I was considered a burger by my family.
I've just come to Habib University and I have such a burger accent. Oh my god, I'm trying my hardest to create that accent, you know, to create, क्योंकि splash में जब मैं आया था ना तो मेरे आसपास जो लोग थे, they were all speaking that accent and I'm from Multan, that accent.
Amount of English I'm speaking here right now, and normally at campus I never speak in this much English. I'm always a person who speaks Urdu. I'm really into Urdu. I like Urdu a lot.
If in my society, you don't talk in English. You don't talk in English. And if you are good at English and if you talk in English, it seems like you're a very intelligent person. It seems like you are very advanced. It seems like you're a very modern person. And it's somehow the other who can't speak that, they feel less they feel inferior in comparison to you. And you are like dominating them because you know a lot. You are educated. You're a burger now. You can speak English, okay?
Hi there, hi. Oh my god, yeah, Habib University is so great, yeah.
Accent, not even their English, their vocabulary, their grammar, their accent specifically is really, sometimes their accent is really westernized. You can really hear a British person speaking.
They are like mimicking the accent of English as well. So the lower class, when the lower class speak English, they are like, they have this broken accent, and it shows that they are from South Asia or like that.
I'm texting someone now, like this is very one thing, but I will literally go to any AI and I will like, is it the correct English? Is it grammatically correct? Is it vocabulary correct? And it's it okay, then I will send it to a person who, you know, I don't know at Habib, which is overwhelming. Even writing an email to you, I did it from AI because again, I was like, I'm not going to write it good enough and I want to be good enough. So
I am just a little big burger.
things they use for their notes as well, जो different कर रहे होते हैं. आप एक simple pen paper पे लिख रहे होंगे and you will see them doing something very, you're like okay, them having things okay, but different होगी आपकी चीज़ों से.
Major difference is that they have money. They have a lot of money.
They have a lot of money.
Yeah. So they can do whatever they want.
पीछे उनका एक उनके पास mentally तौर पे उनको background mental पता हो ना, that they are secure. They have security at the back end of the end. And वहीं पे middle class बर्गन का बाप्स को नहीं पता होता. उनको नहीं पता. उनको ये नहीं पता कि एक साल बाद घर में खाना होगा कि नहीं होगा. उनको अब एक साल भी शायद करेंगे, उनको शायद एक महीने के बाद भी नहीं पता. So उनको उसके लिए भी काम करना है. There was one of the interns who was trying to act all cute and burger, and clearly she got the advantage from the boss. But otherwise, all the other people, they didn't care, but I feel the bosses do care, because especially in media industry, you have to be a burger to make connections. You can't be a bun kebab.
Burger opportunities are really good. Burger people get really good opportunities. They are going on like, चलो अगर सेंड की बात करें तो they were the people who were the models. They were the people who were going on shoots. मतलब suppose if you want to tag along on a shoot, right? तो मतलब you have to go with these guys. So if you weren't part of that circle, I think it would have harmed you greatly.
Burger, if you're from a good school, you're going to have good communication skills. You're going to have more exposure than a person who is not. I totally agree. They're going to be better at a lot of things, but it's not like the person who is not, they don't have the potential. It's just they didn't get that much opportunities.
Being excluded from the burger community if I'm not mimicking them, and that keeps me on that poverty line, that I am, oh okay, I'm not a part of burger community, so I'm not an elite class, so I'm under them. I have to do something to be a part of them, or like to be successful, or like to get out of this domination of the elite class.
Why do people try to be burger? It's not just to fit in, it's also to belong to that higher social class, even if you're not from that. So you still try to achieve that कि भाई हाँ मैं ऊपर किसी न किसी तरह पहुँच जाऊँ.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार.
You try to be the Gora, but you are not the Gora, and you will never be the Gora. Try to be your own best self.
Because I feel a lot of people, when they come to university, they feel overwhelmed. They don't know who they really are, and they try to find one person they can fit in, and they try to find another, and in the process they lose their own identity. So being burger, I feel, is the easiest you can be. It is being yourself. If a burger is like being yourself, okay, go ahead. Because it's you being yourself. It's not being yourself. You're just trying to be fit in for this kind of thing. Then it is not.
It took a long time, and I'm still in the process. I would say that I'm accepting the part that I cannot be included, and I need to be my own. I can be part of this society, but I need to have my own identity as well. I don't need to resolve my identity in order to be the part of this group. I felt a bit uncomfortable blending in, so I spent 1 year of my university alone. Then I found my people, and then it was fine.
It took me a while to accept that I was different than everyone else, and that was fine. That's a hard thing to accept for yourself. I kind of feel sad for the burger people because I find them struggling to find their own identity. So I just want to say them, it's fine if you're a bun kebab at heart. We all are.